You wipe your counters every day, but what about your kitchen cabinets? Over time, they get covered in a sticky film of grease, fingerprints, and grime you can't always see. What's hiding in plain sight might shock you. Here's why you need to clean them and how to do it right. Your kitchen cabinets are magnets for cooking grease, sticky fingerprints, dust, and food splatters that build up daily. Most people only give the handles a quick wipe, completely missing the cabinet faces, edges, and the grimy buildup that collects around the knobs and pulls. The secret is to start by dusting off any loose dirt first. Then, tackle the sticky residue with a powerful degreaser or a simple dish soap solution for the exteriors. For the best results, always wipe with the wood grain to avoid streaks and protect the finish. And don't forget the tops of your cabinets. It's a hidden zone where dust and grease combine into a thick, stubborn layer. Make sure to clean all the edges, handles, and hinges, then dry every surface immediately to protect the cabinet finishes from moisture damage. The inside matters too. A quick vacuum removes crumbs that attract pests, and a simple wipe down ensures your clean dishes stay truly clean. The difference is incredible. Your kitchen will look newer, feel brighter, and be far more sanitary. Plus, regular care prevents permanent grease damage. Does cabinet cleaning feel like too big a job? Our pros can deep clean the tops, interiors, and all those hard-to-reach spots for you. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Cleaning today, 256-633-6332. www.bearbruscleaning.com. Beery Clean Guaranteed.